These are our bunnies, Willow and Frances. I wanted to make them a rabbit action park. So I drew some blueprints, which consisted of a ramp, a tunnel, a triangular tunnel, a food dispenser, and I also added a pillow. I also did a food dispenser blueprint, and then my sister made a better one, and I drew that one out. So I plugged the hot glue gun in, got some cardboard, and started making the food dispenser. Then I started to make the circular tunnel. I made 4 cardboard rings and 1 long tube, and put the rings inside the tube and rolled the tube up. I braced the tube with popsicle sticks because it would just flop down. Then I started to make the triangular tunnel. So I cut it open, and then I cut off the side strips that were on there, and then I folded it into a triangle, but it just was flat, so I cut it down the center, and then moved it inwards and glued it. So my hot glue gun broke, so I had to push the hot glue stick in through the hot glue gun to finish it. So with the supervision of Willow and Frances, we set the action park up. I put in the tube and the triangular tunnel and the food dispenser with the orange in the back, and we put a plank up for the ramp and put the pillow down. Frances was the first to enter the course, and she chose the triangular tunnel as her first victim. Then she went over to the food dispenser and sniffed it around. I tried to show her that if you push, it'll bring food, but I don't think she figured that out. Then she started eating the orange weight, so I had to remove that. They were curious about the circular tunnel because they kept leaning up against it and sniffing it and stuff. So I eventually picked up Frances and put her in the tunnel. So yeah, I had to take that one out because she found a way to rig the system.